have control, you have control. Look out to your left, look outside and pull up, pull up, pull up, go. Little harder, that's it, keep going, up and over the top. Nice, around we go. And down, and pull up, pull up, pull up. Woohoo! How's that? Cool. Okay, look outside and do it again. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Up you go, harder, a little harder, and hold it there, good. Over the top we go. That's a nice looking loop there, Paul. That's a good one.
Thank you.
Outstanding.
Brilliant.
And look straight ahead now. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Up, 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 up. Look straight ahead. Keep pulling up, keep pulling. Now what we're going to do now, stop there and roll hard right. Go, go, go. And now just keep going, okay? Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. And stop there. Stop. And pull up, pull up, pull up. Woohoo! Up you go. Oh, look straight ahead. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Up, stop, now hard left, go, 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 harder, harder, and go round twice, okay, there's one, keep going. Come on. And stop there. Outstanding. Well, Paul, I'm pretty impressed. I think you're looking at a change in career.
Too damn right. Stop the office.